I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to spray in Marvel Rivals using a controller. Step 1. Walk up to the surface you want to spray in Marvel Rivals. Step 2. Hold down the left button on your controller's D-pad to bring up the spray wheel and don't release it. If you release it, the spray wheel will disappear. Also, you may own more sprays, but you'll only be able to use them if they are actively loaded into your spray wheel. If you want to change sprays loaded into the spray wheel, I'll link to my video in the description and pinned comment that will show you how to do that. Step 3. Position the circle in the center of the spray wheel exactly where you want to put this spray. Use the right analog stick to highlight the spray you want to apply, and then release the left button on the D-pad. That spray will be applied immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.